right here is $19 underglow from Amazon, bro. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm so impressed with it. It's stupid bright for how cheap it is. And has a bunch of settings. It's Bluetooth. It comes with a phone app. Here's the phone app right here. You can change all the colors. It has a bunch of different modes. We could do white strobe. White strobe is pretty cool. Goes around the whole car. It does every color. Of course, you know it does. The fade. For 19 bucks, I really wasn't expecting it to be as bright as it is. It was super easy to install. And again, it comes with a freaking app. Like $19 and it came with an app, man. And so far so good. I've driven in the rain. Again, it's being held up by just tape and it's still holding on strong. So we'll see. I'll update it in like 3 months. But again, I'll have a link in the description below. Again, it's only 19 bucks. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know. And I got you guys. Drop a comment below.